Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my unboxing for Fab Fit Fun. This is a quarterly subscription and it's personally one of my favorites because you get a high value of items in here. So I do have a promo code too if you want to sign up. I'll leave it below. I think you save $10 or $15 off your first box, so I'll put the details below. But you do get this magazine, shows you all the products in the box, the values, and then some boxes differ a little bit, so they'll show you the other options for some of the products. Sometimes you have recipes in here, just a lot of good stuff to read about. I normally look at this a few times just because there's so much stuff in here. So that's just a quick breeze through of that. Also have promo codes for HelloFresh. I also have one of those I'll link below. And here's just another advertisement for their box. So let's dig in. I did customize some of the products, but I always forget what I pick. So almost like a surprise for me. So the first thing up, 3 resistant bands. Oh, cool. I have been working out a little bit lately, mainly just been trying to do a lot of walking, and I've been doing intermittent fasting, and that has been helping me a ton because I hate working out, like I despise it. So here are some resistant bands, heavy one, a light one, and then a medium one. Very cool, so I will definitely read about that. Then we have from Grace and Stella, Spray All Day. This is Rose Spray. It's a hydrating facial spray. And that is completely sealed, but it's full size, pretty heavy. Definitely a lot of product there. Oh, I do remember this. Brazilian Bumbum Cream. I have heard wonderful things about this, so I'm super excited. I want to smell it real quick. But one of my subscribers that I also subscribe to, Cherokee Gypsy, she always talks about this stuff. Ooh. Oh wow, yeah, that smells really good. Cannot wait to try that. And I know this stuff is pretty expensive from what I'm recalling, so nice that that's in the box. From the same company, we have a moisturizing shower cream gel, and this is huge. And I don't know if it has the same scent. Of course it's sealed so it didn't leak. Yep, it smells the same. So very excited for those products. Next up, Wish. That's a really good brand. This is Exfoliating Foot Mask. Yeah, I definitely need that. My feet are gross. They're always so dry because I wear flip-flops all year round practically. So that will be good. Then we have from Ico a liquid eyeliner. That's a really good brand. I like their mascara. Now I've gotten these before. They're little hair ties. I'm not sure how I feel about them. My hair did get knotted up once, so I'm not sure. But we got 2 different colors. We got a clear and kind of a nude color. Then from Coola we have a makeup setting spray with SPF 30. I feel like every summer box we get some kind of SPF product, normally like a moisturizer or sunblock. Very cool. Then Generation Clay. This is a brightening purple clay mask. So of course I'm interested to see what shade of purple it is. Oh, it's a light purple. It's like a lavender. That's cool. So I will probably use that, even though I am sensitive to some face products. I'll definitely give it a try. And this is heavy, but I think this is the last thing in the box. This is Indigo tie-dye bowls. Those are really pretty. So they're little nesting bowls. Get 3 different sizes, and those are just absolutely gorgeous. Very pretty. So I feel like I got a lot of beauty related products. Normally there's a really good mix of stuff. So this and the resistant bands are about the only lifestyle type things. And then I got a lot of face products and sprays and lotions. but all worth the value because I know this and the Bumbum cream is pretty expensive. So that is what I got. If you guys want to sign up, it's well worth it in my opinion, and I do have a playlist that I'll put below in case you want to see past boxes, but this is what came in my summer box. And thanks so much for watching. Bye guys!